At this year's trade expo, Ruimingxing, headquartered in Minhang, Qibao, joined hands with Germany's pedcad foot technology to showcase foot health-related diagnostic and treatment equipment, as well as comprehensive integrated solutions. Visitors could experience the process firsthand, taking just 2 minutes to view their personal foot health profile.
What we offer is an integrated foot health solution. We have introduced Germany's most advanced engineering equipment and software. This includes our 2D scanner, which, when a person stands on it, captures the shape and color of their feet. From this, we can determine their pressure distribution. Additionally, we have a 3D scanner. It enables foot modeling. By placing the foot and ankle into this device, we can capture a full 3D model, including angles, heights, and further measures. Next to it is a foot pressure plate. Walking back and forth on this plate allows us to analyze key data from the gait. Ultimately, we generate a diagnostic analysis report that can identify issues such as flat feet, foot pronation, or even toe-out gait. All these aspects can be clearly reflected.
Ruimingxing is a key strategic initiative of Shanghai Ruiming Group in the healthcare sector. The company collaborates with domestic and international experts and visionaries to address the foot health needs of adolescents, the elderly, as well as individuals with special requirements. By leveraging digital healthcare, 3D printing, advanced materials, and biomechanical corrective insoles and various orthotic supports, the company provides personalized intervention solutions.
Based on all the data we collect, we customize corrective insoles for individuals. By adjusting the foot's force alignment, we enable people to walk and live in a posture closer to normal. Over time, with continued use, this approach can help improve and alleviate their conditions.